Hi guys!
DIY moisturizer today.
What? So today we are going to be making a amazing moisturizer that you can use every single day. And these ingredients are like super gentle on your skin. It's going to be so awesome. But
I'm excited because I've never actually used this one.
I know.
It's my first time too, guys.
It's going to be cool.
It's our first time. Okay, but for the giveaway, we're giving away, very excited, a NYX product.
MG.
The Pro Foundation Mixer. Usually I like to like match the thing, but this one I feel like is like, no, it doesn't.
No.
But basically you customize your foundation using these drops.
That's really cool. Okay, let's make some moisturizer.
Let's do it.
Okay, the ingredients for today: 1/3 of a cup of coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of almond oil, 1 tablespoon of cocoa butter, and 5 to 10 drops of frankincense oil. This is really, really good for your skin. We actually got this from Amazon. If you're wondering where to get it from, they also sell it at like Whole Foods or one of those like.
Yeah, I've never heard of frankincense until today. We had it here, and you're like, frankincense, duh, it's really good for your skin, moisturizer.
It's amazing for your skin. It has so many benefits.
Yeah, I had no idea. So I think this is like the main thing of this whole moisturizer.
Right, but you can't use this alone. It has to be used with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, jojoba oil, or almond oil. So we have 2 out of 3 of the carrier oils.
Yeah, and you guys, I know a lot of people are concerned about coconut oil being too
oily,
not
greasy?
like clogging their pores because it's so thick. We're not using that much of it, so it won't make that big of an impact on clogging your pores.
And
so
you're
don't
not
worry.
putting it directly on your skin. You're actually mixing it with these other ingredients that are gonna do wonders for your skin anyway.
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. So
Yay!
Basically, you just mix them together. Super easy. Okay.
Let's do it. Should we start with the almond oil?
Let's start with the almond oil. So we have our 2 teaspoons of almond oil into our coconut oil, and then we're going to be putting our cocoa butter in there. We'll mix this up, and then, here Nora, you can mix it up, and then we'll put our frankincense drops in there.
The cocoa butter actually looks like butter.
I know, looks good.
I'm like,
I love like whipped, like creamy butter.
I know.
On like bread.
I know. I know.
Okay, while Nora mixes that, I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. I'm going to do 10 drops.
Is that why you made me mix and not use that? Because every time I put in the drops, I'm like, 10 to 45.
I'm happy that you finally realized this, because I'll be like, Nora, 5 drops, and she'll put in like 5 tablespoons.
I acknowledge it.
And then it's so strong, like I can't use some of the stuff, because the scent is like overbearing.
Whatevs. Oh, smells good.
So the nice thing about this is you can use it on your face, you can use it on your body. It's kind of like an all-over moisturizer. We originally made it for the intention for it to be for your face, but feel free to put it all over your body because it really is a nice natural moisturizer. And
then it hardens a little too.
It does harden a little. Look how nice and soothing. My skin gets so dry.
Right now especially.
So it's kind of nice. So if you have super oily skin and you don't want to use it on your face, you can use this all over your body. It's really amazing.
I always have to put it here.
It smells so good. And now we are going to put it into our little mason jar and store it so that we can use it at any time. Super easy, right? Okay, Nora, how do they win our giveaway?
Oh, yeah. Sorry, I'm like, oh, I need to get on my knees too. You win our giveaway by subscribing to our channel. If you're new here, welcome.
Hi.
You're in for a treat. And then leave a comment below on this video, or telling us how much you love us because we're awesome.
Or other suggestions for DIYs.
Fine. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Love you guys.